And breaking news coming in, Sasikala's nephew TTV Dinakaran has made this big announcement that he's joining hands with the AIMIM for the Tamil Nadu elections. What we do know is that the AIMIM will be contesting on 3 seats in the upcoming polls. Apurva with us to take that story ahead. You know, Apurva, earlier in the day, Asaduddin Owaisi spoke to the media. He said that he's venturing into Tamil Nadu elections and he said wait for an announcement tomorrow. But TTV Dinakaran has taken to Twitter. He's already put out the announcement.
Yeah, that's right. AIMMK, which is TTV Dinakaran's party, there had already been talks that were ongoing, stating that his alliance, he will be signing alliances with senior important parties, is what TTV Dinakaran had said as well when we have spoken to him last time. And today, with his announcement that he has signed seat-sharing talks to 3 seats allotted to AIMIM in this upcoming 2021.
AIMIM in this upcoming 2021 Tamil Nadu Assembly elections, definitely not only does it give prominence to AIMMK, but it also gives prominence to Asaduddin Owaisi's words as well. Remember, earlier today he had also said that he is interested in looking into playing a part in politics here in Tamil Nadu. He does want to also look into Tamil Nadu as well, contesting in Tamil Nadu, apart from in West Bengal as well. And now with Asaduddin Owaisi's statement and AIMMK now releasing a statement with the signed seat sharing agreement between the AIMMK and AIMIM, definitely not only is this going to be the first of the many alliances that AIMMK's chief TTV Dinakaran has promised that he will be signing with other parties, but this will also be one of the prominent parties that will be signing with AIMMK in this seat sharing talks that are ongoing.
All right, Apurva, stay with us. Aneri also joins us now on the broadcast. She's reporting from Hyderabad this evening. You know, Aneri, with the exit of Sasikala, with Sasikala making the announcement that she is not a part of active politics, at least for now, people thought that this is just going to be a binary contest between the ADMK and the DMK. Now, TTV Dinakaran plus the AIMIM, how does that, for the moment, change that equation?
Well, definitely this would bring in a result for the TTV Dinakaran, and also at the same time, well, just some time back we had broken the story saying that AIMIM will be contesting in Tamil Nadu polls, and also Asaduddin Owaisi had given out a statement that we will make an announcement tomorrow. But now that we have been seeing the announcement has been made, Asaduddin Owaisi's party AIMIM chief has been given 3 seats. Well, definitely, always we have been seeing, let it be any kind of elections, let it be any kind of, let it be civic polls or let it be assembly elections or the parliament elections. Earlier also in the Bihar state, we had seen Asaduddin Owaisi's party winning nearly 5 seats, and also at that point in time we had seen MIM being called as a vote cutter. And now we'll have to see whether Asaduddin Owaisi's party, as they have got 3 seats to contest on, will AIMIM be able to win in all these 3 seats, because we have been seeing MIM's graph going up day by day, let it be in the Bihar polls, let it be in the Gujarat civic elections, or also in the GHMC elections, where we had seen in the month of December MIM retaining with all the 44 seats in the GHMC elections. But now the MIM's eyes is all on the Tamil Nadu elections and also on the West Bengal. Well, we have also seen earlier that MIM has already got the party symbol for West Bengal and for Tamil Nadu, that is the kite symbol, which has been approved already. And now this announcement being made that AIMIM will be contesting in alliance with TTV Dinakaran. So definitely we'll have to see how Asaduddin Owaisi will be campaigning, and once again will AIMIM will be called as a vote cutter, because it has been dividing a lot of votes. That is what the people and the political parties have been alleging.
Oh, absolutely. And you know, Apurva and Aneri, the Tamil Nadu elections only get more interesting from here on. But ladies, what we'll do now is I'm requesting both of you to stay with us as we quickly make way to listen into what we just heard moments ago from Asaduddin Owaisi.
Tamil Nadu will definitely contest. And tomorrow I will tell you one development is going to happen. I'll let you know by tomorrow.
Aligning with DMK is an option?
I will tell you tomorrow.